Hi students, now we will see the example 1.23. Let us see the example 1.23. Solve the following system of equations using matrix inversion method. We have to find the solution for x1, x2, x3 by using a matrix inversion method. First we have to write the matrix form. Okay, from the linear equation, that is A is equal to 2 3 3 1 minus 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 2. For this x in 1.22 they gave x plus y, linear equations x plus y, but here they have given x1, x2, x3, so we have to use the same x1, x2, x3. We have to find the value of x1, x2, x3. B is equal to 5 minus 4, 3. So we have to find the solution for x1, x2 and x3. For that, x is equal to A inverse B. First we have to find A inverse. To find A inverse, first we find determinant of A, 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus of minus 1 minus 3 into 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 3 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 6, 2 into 4 plus 1 minus 3 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5, 2 into 5 minus into minus plus 15 plus 15, 45. You are getting the determinant of A is equal to 2 5s are 10, 40. Wrong. So it is not equal to 0. A inverse exists. So we have to find Aij. Aij. We have to find A inverse. For that, first we have to find Aij. See, for this element, plus into 2 into 2 4, minus into minus plus 1. For this, minus 2 minus 3, minus of minus 2 minus 3. For this entry, minus 1 plus 6. For this entry, minus 1 minus into minus plus 6. Second row, first column, for this entry, minus 6 plus 3. Then this minus 4 minus 9. For this entry, minus 2 minus 9. Three plus 6 minus 2 minus 3. Final element, minus 4 minus 3. Transpose. You just do the simplification. 5 minus 5 into minus plus 5, 5. Here minus 3 into minus plus 3. Here minus 13. Minus 11 into 11 minus plus 9. Minus 1 into minus plus 1 minus 7. Suppose if we are going to find the at GA, we have to change the row into column, column into row. 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 minus 7. X is equal to A inverse B Instead of this A inverse, we can write 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7 into 5 minus 4, 3. What is this? This is B. Now usual matrix multiplication, first row and first column, 25 minus 12 plus 27. 25 plus 52 plus 3. 25 minus 44 minus 21. Just to find what it will come. 13, 40. Here see 55, 60, 70, 80. Here 25, 65, 40 minus 40. So suppose I am going to divide this whole column by 40. 1, 2, minus 1. What is this? X is equal to 1, 2, minus 1. What is this X? X1, X2, X3. So the value of X1 is 1, X2 is 2, X3 is minus 1. You just applying any one equation, we can verify. Instead of x1, 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 5. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 6, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So the solution of x1, x2, x3 is 1, 2, minus 1. Thank you.